Welcome.
आप सभी का स्वागत है.
ようこそ。
Bienvenue.
Welcome to everyone watching from over 120 countries around the globe. Grab some popcorn, pop a bottle of champagne, and get ready for our first ever virtual The Year in Infrastructure Awards. We've got a great program in store for you, filled with the year's most exciting and innovative infrastructure projects.
Chris, thank you so much. Look, we all know why we're here. To honor the exceptional digital achievements that our Bentley software users have made in infrastructure design, construction, and operations throughout the globe in 2020.
Now please welcome Amanda Brewer, Manager Product Marketing, Building, Plant, and Structural Analysis, to present our next award.
Chris, thank you for that introduction. I am so excited to present Going Digital for Mining and Offshore Engineering. This award celebrates projects that show going digital planning, design, analysis, especially structural integrity analysis, engineering, construction, operations, decommissioning of mines, mining facilities, marine and offshore infrastructure, and structures including oil and gas production. Here are our three finalists. Digital twin of AKSU plant. From concept to startup, a real story. AAEngineering Group. AAEngineering Group was contracted to design a new gold ore processing plant, a dam, a worker camp, water pipelines, and an electrical substation in Kazakhstan. Working with limited space, strict environmental regulations, and having to coordinate production with existing gold plants provided to be a challenge that only 4D modeling could solve. The team was able to reduce design time by 30%, cut travel by 75%, and coordinate with nearby gold facilities while using Bentley applications. As of now, the project is ahead of schedule, and the client is training their staff to use the digital tools. Transporting a 3x330 class barge loaded with jacket onboard semi-submersible vessels, Sapura Energy Berhad. Sapura Energy Berhad had just 1 year to build 3 heavy platform jackets in Malaysia and transport them to Al Shaheen Field, Qatar's largest offshore oil field. Using SACs, they designed the jackets and simulated offshore platform operations with Moses. The team found that the ship carrying the jackets would clear the platform and withstand high ocean waves, leading the owner to approve the project, and the jackets got to their destination on time. Vladimir Filanovsky Offshore Field Modernization and Production Volume Increase, Volgograd Nefty Project, LLC. The project manager, Volgograd Nefty Project, was contracted to design and upgrade Lukoil's aging offshore oil field, Vladimir Filanovsky. During the project, they were told that production could not be stopped. Installation was to be done in tight spaces, and there were to be minimal water discharges. The team relied on AssetWise and ProjectWise to shave 30% of the time spent on decision-making, and with Synchro, they had an easy time with the installation and coordinating of material transportation. All of this saved the project 2 months and 12% of the design budget. A very intense deliberation happened with this category with incredibly innovative finalists. The winner truly embodied the spirit of going digital. The forward-thinking solution applied on this project enabled the design team to work effectively and cut costs during the COVID-19 quarantine. The project challenges included overcoming space and environmental restrictions, which were resolved by utilizing digital twins and gave the team the added benefit of putting the project ahead of schedule. And the winner is digital twin of the AKSU plant from concept to startup, the AAEngineering group.
Please welcome back Amy Hefner, Manager, Product Marketing for Civil Design.
Glad to be back presenting our next Going Digital Award for Land and Site Development. This award acknowledges projects that excel in digital innovations for the evaluation, planning, designing, engineering, modeling, and analyzing of land development projects. And the finalists are Project Implementation in Extreme Conditions, AAEngineering Group, Yangir Mine. AAEngineering delivered the winning construction bid for a gold plant near the Yangir deposit in a dangerously seismic area in Kyrgyzstan. Using ProjectWise, the team was able to overcome environmental and technical construction challenges and work in the midst of the pandemic to create greater scheduling efficiency across 500 work sites. By taking advantage of Bentley software, they also reduced design time by 30% and shaved $2 million off their budget. Master Planning and Engineering for Infrastructure Development at Tumkuru, Karnataka, Jacobs Engineering, India. Jacobs Engineering was brought in to prepare the master plan and preliminary design report for the 85 billion rupees Tumkuru node at Sustainable Tech Hub Development Project in Karnataka, India. They used ProjectWise and iModels to overcome topology, engineering, and coordination challenges, and in doing so, the project 15 to 20% in time. By using Bentley software, the team was able to reduce project risk, speed up decision-making, and accelerate their approval process. Hub 404 Concept Database, KCI Technologies. KCI Technologies was retained by the state of Georgia to get accurate data on property boundaries and utilities for the state's $250 million Buckhead Transit Park. KCI used LiDAR scanning and drones to capture high-resolution photos, minimizing lane closures and avoiding risks to on-site surveyors. And the team brought in MicroStation and LumenRT to get over 100 gigabytes of survey data, giving KCI an easier way to collaborate and share information project goals to help finalize the project design. On this project, the design team overcame extreme site conditions with dangerous terrain and harsh weather conditions that only allowed construction to take place 5 months out of the year. Using Bentley's innovative and integrated applications helped the design team reduce time and cost, improving field safety and allowing construction to begin ahead of schedule. And the winner is Yangir Mine, Project Implementation in Extreme Conditions, AAEngineering Group, Talas Region of Kyrgyz Republic, Kyrgyzstan.
Congratulations!
Congratulazioni!